Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a Presto card to Google Pay. To add a Presto card to Google Pay, what you need to do is, first of all, open the Google Pay application. At the top right, tap your profile picture wallet. Now, at the bottom, tap Add to Wallet. Then tap on Payment Card. To capture your card info, use the camera. You can also enter your card info manually. Now, review and accept the terms from your card's issuer. If there's an option to use a digital wallet within the Transit app, follow the app-specific instructions to add your Presto card or set up mobile payments. If you successfully set up your Presto card with a compatible Transit app, you may be able to use Google Pay to make payments at supported locations. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.